A ladder resting on a vertical wall makes an angle whose tangent is 2.4 with the ground. If the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 50 centimeters, what is the length of the ladder? I'm going to show us two ways with which to tackle this problem. First, without the use of a calculator. Next, with the use of a calculator. For the first case, we know that the vertical wall and the horizontal ground will make an angle 90 degrees. So I'm going to have a representation like this. This is the wall and this is the ground, 90 degrees. And here comes the ladder. We're told that the ladder makes an angle with the ground, so we have something like this, theta. I'm also told that the tangent of this angle, tan of the angle theta, is what? 2.4. This can be expressed in fraction as what? 24 over 10, and simplified further as 12 over 5. The tan of an angle, the tangent of an angle, is the opposite side of the angle over the adjacent side, meaning here will be 12, here will be 5. We're also given in the question that the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 50 centimeters, meaning here is 50 centimeters. So we get the equivalence of this fraction. We're going to have 120 over 50 to tally with what we have in the question. Alright, so I'm going to have here to be 120 centimeters and here to be what? 50 centimeters. Alright, and we're asked to find the length of the ladder. Let's make it y. Right, next we apply the Pythagoras rule, which states that what? The length of the longest side, which is what? Y, the square of it must be equals to what? 120 square plus 50 square. Our y can be given as what? The square root of what? 120 square. 12 square is 144, right? Then you have 0, 0. Plus 50 square. 5 square is 25. Then you have 0, 0. Okay? And what will this give us? Our y equals the square root of what? We are going to have 16900. Meaning our y is what? 169 times 13. We have 130 centimeters. That is the value of our what? Ladder. So our ladder is 130 centimeters. Okay, now for the second case, we still have our diagram, the wall and the ground, then the ladder. We have the angle with the ground, and then the length of the ladder, and then from the question we're given this distance. Okay, now using the calculator, we're going to make use of calculator now. We're told that what? The tan of this angle, is what? 2.4. So we first of all obtain the value of the angle, which is given by what? The tan inverse of 2.4. Using a calculator, we're going to have shift tan 2.4. That will give us what? 67.38. This is the value of the angle. All right. Now to get the value of y, we're going to use the cos of the angle, which is given by what? Adjacent, which is what? 50 over the hypotenuse y. We use this to get the value of what? Y. The cos of the angle will give us the value of the y. So what's the y? We cross multiply, make y subject to the formula. You're going to have y equals 50 over cos of the angle, which is what? 67.38. And what will this give us? You have 50 divided by the cos of, you have 130 centimeters. So either way, you have the length of the ladder to be what? 130 centimeters. If you're asked to leave the answers in meters, you are going to have 1.3 meter. 1.3 meter divided by 100, you're going to have 1.3 meter. This is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. If you're watching us on YouTube, please support us by subscribing to our channel. You can also click on the notification button to get notified as soon as a new video drops. You can also visit us on Facebook, on our Facebook page at St. Daniel's Mathematics Clinic. The St is spelled C-E-N-T. Follow us on Facebook and also share our link to get to as many students out there as there are. Thank you and God bless.